Alright guys, so as you can see, my eyebrows, I look crazy because I did my face makeup, but I'm in the middle of like a little tutorial, but I wanted to stop so I can show you guys how I do my brows. So basically my eyebrows look like this at first. My makeup is on them and they just look sparse and not dark, and I have really dark hair. So the product that I use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. So the first thing I'll do is take the Anastasia brow little brush, and I'll literally take the spoolie and just brush my brows out, get any powder out of them. Just brush them as I would need to, as anyone would need to. And then I'm going to take the product. I use the Dip Brow in Chocolate. Truth be told, I feel like I could get it darker because I do have such light brows, such light and sparse brows, and such deep dark hair that I feel like I could go darker and it would save me some product. But I literally just go in and this is just how I do my eyebrows. This is how they come out the best. So I literally just come in here and I'll align. And again, it's okay if it doesn't look perfect because we have concealer. And start to create a shape. And then once the shape is kind of done, I know I look insane, the product that's left over on the brush, and you're gonna kind of come up here and just start to create the front. Just some hairs so you can get an idea as to how your brow is going to look. And then I'm going to go in with my other Anastasia brush, and I'm going to take a little bit more product, and I'm really just going to like fill in the brow right now. I also do want to preface, you're going to be a little harder towards the tail, and you're literally going to take the brush and just do upward small strokes with what you have left over towards the front to make them look fluffy and more airy, and then towards the front little brush strokes. And then for the way front, I take the smaller brush and I'm going to go in and flick up just like this. I'm going to make a little bit of a harsher line underneath. Anything you don't like, you could change. If you don't like dip brow, you can use powder. If you like your eyebrows lighter, to each their own. I just have really dark hair and a larger face, so I really like to make my brows look pretty dramatic, but again, it changes from day to day, so sometimes I'll want more of like a natural brow. So I'm just going to do this brow off camera. Or I'm going to do it on camera, but I'm going to like really speed it up. And then I'm going to come back and show you how I clean them up. Okay, so I just did the other brow, but I obviously need to clean them up. You can tell I'm going to make them a little thinner. I need to do brow gel, all that stuff. So I actually take the Benefit Highbrow, but the first thing I do before I clean them up is I go in with brow gel. So I go in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. Hands down, the best brow gel I've used. It keeps my brows in place. It gives them volume. It just makes them look fuller. So I do this kind of heavily. Again, I like my brows to be very prominent and bold, so they look a little more crazy because I'm not wearing anything else other than face makeup and brows, but believe me, they fit my face. So I'm just gonna go in and again, have your hand towards the tail. And the leftover product on the brush, it looks like a little spoolie. You're gonna spoolie out the front and always pushing the hairs up so they look more fluffy and natural. So as you can see, I have brow hairs sticking up. If that's not your thing and you don't like it that way, obviously change it, but this is just how I do mine. So the fronts look very like fluffy, you know? I'm gonna go in with this right here, which is the Benefits Highbrow, and it's just like a little crayon that can kind of like fix up your brows. So I just go under and clean up whatever I want to clean up. I'm gonna go in with this little pointy brush and just kind of fix it up and like blend it in, you know? You see how much that like lifts the brow up? It really does like lift the brow up. Really bold, but I love them and I feel like they fit my face super well. So again, don't come for me in the comments. I like them. This is how I do them. And literally all I do is just clean them up. That's it. Alright guys, so this is the brows with my makeup on. So I literally just filmed this tutorial, so if you guys want to check it out, click the last video and it will show you this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's brow routine. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, become a part of the Rain fam, and also I currently have a giveaway going on. So if you want to be entered, go to the last video, check the description, and enter the giveaway. I love you guys so much, and until next time, Rain fam.